eyes. Pray for Cookie.
Yeah.
How about Mommy? Pray for Mommy. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Pray for yourself.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Cheese.
How old are you?
Two.
You too?
You too?
Yes.
Count for Daddy. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Yes, Mommy, big boy. Pray for Cookie. Cookie's belly hurts. Pray for Cookie. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
I can't get it. I'm too close to him.
Cookie cut.
Here, pray for Cookie. Ready? Close your eyes.
Freya.
Cookie wants you to pray for him because his belly hurts. Can you pray for Cookie? Close your eyes.
Freya.
His belly feels a whole lot better. Aww.